5 Best Kitchen Timer. Here is the product number 5. LCD Digital Power Programmable Timer. Features: panel mounted. Advanced presetting 1 week before. Digital electronic timer switch with daily programs. Repeat programs with 17 on, off setting and manual override. Lithium battery power reserve when electric supply cut off. Auto timer error correction ± 30 seconds, weekly. On, OFF operation: 17 on, O. Here is the product number 4. Power Programmable Timer AC 7.5A. Features: panel mounted. Digital electronic timer switch with daily programs. Lithium battery power reserve when electric supply cut off. Auto timer error correction ± 30 seconds, weekly. Specification: power consumption: 7.5 Va, max. Display LCD. Minimum interval: 1 minute. Here is the product number 3. EU Plug New Energy Saving Timer. Features: energy saving electronic timer programming. Working light power indicator clearly. AC 220 volts - 240 volts /50 Hz 10A 2200 watts. Large display screen to show more clearly. Large buttons to use conveniently. Description: grounding, standard grounding. Application: residential, general purpose. Here is the product number 2. Electronic digital timer switch socket. Battery 1.2 volts battery is built in, non-removable. Work life greater than 100 hours. Plug-in design, easy programming. 8 keys timer function. 16 kinds of days group setting. Time setting is include hour, minute and week. Summer and winter time mode. Random function. 12 24 hours changeable. Here is the product number 1. Portable plug-in digital timer. Item specifics: brand name, usage kitchen, model number timer, theory digital, type plug, voltage 120 volts /60 Hz, 230 volts /50 Hz. Installation plug-in type. Setting time: 1 minute. Operating temperature: 10 tilde +40 degree. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.